Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Hubspot Connector for cscart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to copy the redirect URI from here. Click the Generate Client ID and Secret button present at top of the page. It will open the Hubspot login page. Log in with your account. Now select the existing user from here or create the new one. Now, you need to create the developer account. Add your job role. Add the account name. Now click Create an app. Change the app name or keep it same as you want. Go to Auth section. Add redirect URIs as displayed in module setting. Now select the scopes. In CRM section, select the read and write for contacts and deals. In standard section, select the e-commerce and integration sync. Now click Save. Now copy client ID, paste in module setting in respected field. Now click Show and copy client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Click Save. Now click Generate Tokens button in module setting. Select the account. Make sure your selected account must have access of all the features selected in Scope section, otherwise you will get authentication error as we get earlier. Now click Connect App. Once it will be connected, it will refresh the configuration page and you will see that tokens are generated. There are few more fields in module setting like Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which cscart orders will sync to Hubspot. One last field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of cscart orders that will be synced to Hubspot. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Go to the website then Hubspot menu and you will see the sync menus. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from cscart to Hubspot. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have already synced the customers. So let's see them in Hubspot. See customers are present in Hubspot. The sync process is same for products and orders also. We have already synced the products and orders also. The list is present in Sync Products and Sync Orders menu. Let's see them in Hubspot also. We have tried to cover all points. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.